Step one, carpet cleaning, is pre-vac. We use a standard dry vacuum cleaner to pre-vac and get up all the loose soiling and hair and everything else. And then we'll get into step two. Next step is going to be a pre-treat with our special enzyme pre-treatment to help remove all those oils and organic stains. Our next step is to scrub it in using our counter-rotating brush system. What this does is it has two brushes on the bottom and a little catch tray. These brushes rotate in opposite directions and works to pre-spray down into the carpet fibers, make sure the fibers get cleaned all the way around, not just on the surface. And these brushes also work really, really well at probably start seeing some of those stains come up as well. Next, we are on to our hot water extraction, also known as steam cleaning. You can see we have our high pressure hot water line running into our wand here. That's using 220 degree hot water at about 400 PSI to rinse this carpet clean. And then we have our 1.5 inch neck down vacuum hose coming in here to pull out all that moisture and soiling. And we're gonna get to it. All right, now we have fully steam cleaned room. Man, that looks so much better.